Industrial systems today rely on sensors to make critical decisions. But the moment those sensors are spoofed or manipulated, the entire plant can be pushed into dangerous states, and traditional controllers have no way to recognize the attack. Attackers aren't disabling machines, they're feeding them lies, and there lies the problem. False pressures, false levels, false flows, everything looks normal to the control system while the plant is drifting into unsafe territory. To defend a physical system, you need something that understands both the data and the physics. Not just firewalls, not just anomaly models, but a single unified system that can sense, reason, verify, and act. Which is where our solution comes in, a unified AI industrial defense platform. We built a single end to end system that continuously verifies reality. Unified loop visualized. Spoofed sensor data enters, the system cross checks it, detects the inconsistency, recognizes the threat, stabilizes the equipment, and notifies the operator. The entire cycle loop in millisecond continuously protects the plant. Every piece of data entering the plant is checked against a physics aware digital twin, an adversarially resilient predictive model, and a real time decision engine, all fused together into one intelligent loop. The system predicts what should be happening. It uses a physics model to estimate pressures, tank levels, flow rates, and system behavior per millisecond. It compares reality to expectation. Incoming sensor readings are checked against these physics based predictions. This produces a residual signal, a simple numerical truth check. It interprets anomalies using learned behavior. If the residual looks suspicious, the system immediately analyzes it using a predictive model trained against adversarial manipulation. This stops subtle or gradient based ML attacks that try to push the system the wrong way while looking normal. It identifies malicious intent. The defense logic checks, is this natural drift, a failing sensor, or an attack? The system classifies the event in real time. It responds instantly and safely. Without waiting for an operator, the system issues stabilizing control actions to actuators, valves, pumps, motors, keeping the plant within safe bounds. It explains itself to the operator. Finally, it sends a human readable alert explaining what mismatch occurred, what it means, and what corrective action it just took. All of this happened as one closed loop continuously running. Not three tools, not a stack of disconnected algorithms, one unified, self defending industrial brain. So, why does this all matter? This unified AI defense system gives industrial sites something they have never had, a second opinion, one that attackers can't lie to. It reduces downtime, prevents physical damage, and makes cyber physical systems fundamentally safer. This is our vision, a plant that can recognize deception, defend itself, and stay safe even when the data is compromised. Thank you.